How to rearrange posts on Instagram. Let's say you want the older post you have on your profile to be seen on the upper part. So the first thing to do is to go to your profile icon right here, and then you just have to scroll down. So let's say I want to make this post right here to be on top of my profile. All I have to do is to tap on these three dots right here, and then tap on pin to your profile. The next thing to do is, let's say I want another post right here to be arranged next to that post that I pinned to my profile. All I have to do again is to tap on these three dots right here, and then click on pin to your profile. Now, as you can see, when we refresh our profile feed right here, or we can just exit Instagram overall and then go back, you will be able to see that those posts that I have pinned to my profile are arranged depending on which one I pinned to my profile first. So in order for you to rearrange your post on Instagram, all you have to do is to pin those posts that you have on your profile so that you will be able to rearrange your post. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!